As I should be, I got to for Andy County.
Hi! They love him. The people love him.
They have to. The meetings are what? This is a third grandson. Boy, it's not the video me. People tell me they sympathize for it. Stop your ras. Stop your ras. Stop your ras.
Yes, I can look at. Yeah.
We're active.
I reach. Press.
They run, they know what they be able to say.
Huh? Now you want to call for rest?
Yeah, enough time,
man. Last time I reached out to them, right? I said, why? Like I just look for sleeping up. Yeah, but I have to big up, man.
Yeah, but you're not going to worry no, because no run play again 11, so yeah.
But I can come back, you know, I can't say one stuff to long. Huh? I got a report, you know?
Yes, man.
Yeah. Why was bad? It's a nice day, man. Yeah. You got my mountain, you know?
Feel like a Saturday now.
Why? I hear for football field. Earlier, I said I got to give me ballet and leave short, no? Why?
Yeah,
man. Where eventually, man?
What's your kid?
You still have to pick up the
What's your kid?
No, man.
Why? Birthday cake, happy birthday, President. Happy birthday to the world. Straight from DYFA to you, man. Right? We gotta keep it real all the time, right? So, happy birthday, man. Happy birthday. I just come out, you know? So, I'm not going to get my ballet and leave something, man. Right, so, we're now on show. We're now on show.
You plate of food there? You want food?
Yeah, I want curse on
them. So, what did they tell me when I was on you? Get an early plate for me, man.
Correct.
Early plate for me.
That's not the birthday boy. All the Williams are there too. They come support. Yeah. See the man right there, the first step. So we're not showing no game this weekend, right, Chris?
Have to. I want to see them match game Friday night.
But I'm the team to play Sunday. Alright. What's the one I don't want to say? I don't want to disturb me about no game. You'll get a game. Yes, man. They come in? You know what I think they represent? They have to. Now the birthday boy right there. Big him up all the time. I hope that they go conquer us all the time. Alright. Huh? Now treat up back there?
Yeah.
You there?
See, watch out.
You there already? Watch
out.
Alright.
Sit.
Alright. I gotta go. Just gonna say. Again. Big up DJ Noah. Yes, man. Okay. Big up again, Press. Big up yourself all the time from DYFA to you. One of our biggest fans out there right now. Thanks for our praises, right?
Yes, man.
The birthday boy.